Okay.
And we're gonna say hi to him. Okay. And look, David's in it.
I know.
All right. Hey, yeah, I like it. Hey, everybody, the Kitty Land. Do you want to tag David Williams Jr.? He's tagged already.
He's already tagged.
Yeah, he's tagged already. Okay. Hey, everybody, it's the Kitty Lander. We're at Toyota of Bowling Green with Taylor and David. Hey, Taylor, and hey, David, what's going on?
Going great.
Going great. Beautiful day.
It's a beautiful day?
It is a beautiful day.
Why is this day so beautiful?
We have, 70-degree weather, sunshine, but most importantly, a new car.
You bought a new car?
Bought a new car.
Oh my gosh, they bought a new car. Let's see who's joining us. Briley Morgan.
That's my sister.
That's your sister. Hey, say hey to your sister.
Hey.
Briley.
Let's see, Lance Corey Jones.
Good friend.
Ellen Morgan.
That's my mom.
Hey Mom, how are you?
That's Mom.
Mom, we just made a purchase.
Yes, yes.
Does she live in Bowling Green?
No, she lives in Macon County.
Macon County. Come on down from Macon County. Ashley Turner Strong.
She is the owner of Gumtree Beds.
Gumtree Beds?
In Gumtree, Kentucky. And you need to buy a bed from her.
Really?
We bought, 2 or 3? And we're in the process of buying another one.
Guys,
So
we
go
got to
to
go to
Gumtree.
Gumtree Beds.
Yes.
Yes. Where are they at?
Gumtree, Kentucky.
Where's that at?
Is it? It's more towards
Near Tompkinsville.
Yeah.
Near Tompkinsville?
It's in Monroe County.
Monroe County. Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes.
people are saying hi to you. Samantha Groves
Hey.
Smith says hi.
Hey.
Someone else says, hey kids. Angela Heatherly is watching.
Neighbor. Yeah. From
Yes.
back home. Yes.
From back home.
Yep.
Okay, first of all, you guys bought a car here, but why did you come to Toyota of Bowling Green?
Well, this is our second car purchase from
It is.
Toyota Bowling Green, so
Right.
that was a big deal. But our friend Jim at CrossFit,
Jim at CrossFit. Wait a minute.
Yes.
Shout out to Jim
Yes.
because it's my understanding that Jim Jones crushes it.
yeah,
He is.
Crushes it at CrossFit.
he outdoes us.
Yeah, he does.
He outdoes us at CrossFit. He's
Really?
a beast. He's a beast.
Let's see,
Shout
Ellen.
out to you, Jim.
Shout out to you, Jim. Shout out to you, Jim, for referring
Yes.
this fine couple
Yes.
to Toyota Bowling Green.
Yes.
Now, wait a minute. To Kenny at Toyota Bowling Green.
Yes.
Now, you said something in when right before we did this Facebook Live, you wrote something on Facebook. What did you write?
I put that all I asked. I had 3 things that I needed before I would buy a car today.
3 things.
3 things. All I needed.
All you needed was
Yes.
3 things.
Yes.
Okay.
And that Kenny at Toyota Bowling Green delivered on all 3 plus some.
Plus some.
Plus some.
I did exactly what you asked me to do, didn't I?
Yeah.
I didn't venture from that.
No.
I didn't try to sell you.
No.
As a matter of fact, before you got here, I was asking you some questions so I could have these vehicles pulled up here for you.
Yep.
Ready
Yes.
to go.
Yes.
Ready to go.
Yep.
What were those 3 things? Let's tell everybody what those 3
3 things was the
Good value.
good
on the
value
trade.
on our trade-in, to beat the interest rate for the average Joe, and to keep our payments where we wanted our monthly payments to be.
I did all of those 3 things and you
Yes.
guys bought a car.
And we did.
If
Bought a car.
anybody out here has any doubt of who they should talk to at Toyota Bowling Green, can you help them understand who they might want to
Yes.
talk to?
Hashtag ask for Kenny.
Yes! Look at that! David was waiting for that. Hashtag ask for Kenny.
Yes.
Now, what do we like? We don't like to talk on the phone, do we?
No. Phone calls are overrated nowadays.
Phone calls are overrated, guys.
Yes.
What do we like to do?
You text Kenny Landrum.
Hashtag text
text
Kenny Landrum. And if they think they're bothering me, are they bothering me, Taylor?
No, I texted him at 5:30 last night.
Yep,
6
you
o'clock,
did. Mm-hmm.
And it was all good.
And I have some customers that text me even later on into the night. So please don't think you're bothering me if you're texting me.
Okay.
So
Yes.
hashtag text Kenny at 270-779-2819 anytime.
Yep.
Okay. If you have questions,
Yep.
and we talked a lot on via text
Yes. Yes.
with questions, right?
Yes. Absolutely.
So you can text me any question that you have. Hashtag ask for Kenny when you come to Toyota Bowling Green. So sometimes when people come in and they see these videos, by the way, if you see this video and you come to Toyota Bowling Green and ask for Kenny or hashtag text Kenny, and you see me running around because I'm busy,
Wait, it's worth it.
wait, it's worth it.
It's worth it.
Okay.
It's worth it.
Still ask for me.
Yes.
And if it's going to be too long, I'm going to have one of my partners help you out. But it's very important to hashtag.
Ask for Kenny.
Yes! I think we said that enough, right?
We hope so.
We hope so,
We
right?
hope
So what did you get here? A 2019, can we show them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. What did you get?
2019 Toyota Highlander.
You got, wait a minute, you got the SE edition.
Sure did.
You got the pretty blacked out wheels.
Pretty
You got
good
the
line.
pretty LED daytime running lights.
Yep.
It's kind of blacked out, smoky in there.
Yeah. Black grill.
Yeah.
Black grill. You like
we
it?
wanted. We did. I do. I
Exactly
love
what you
Love it.
wanted,
it.
right?
Yes.
Awesome.
Yes, pretty much, yes. Exactly what we wanted.
So we're going to end this video. If you see this video
Yes.
and you are thinking about buying a car, you know a friend that wants to buy a car, hashtag what?
Ask for Kenny.
Hashtag text Kenny.
Text Kenny. Text Kenny. Ask for Kenny.
Yes,
All the above.
all the above. Congratulations,
Thank
you two.
you. Thank you.
I am so excited for you both.
Thanks. And he might give you some free stuff.
Oh, not might. I will give them
will.
free. When you buy a car from me, the dealership gives free car washes for a year.
Yep.
The dealership gives 2 years of free maintenance when you buy a new car. That's called Toyota Care.
Yep.
But when you come and see me and buy a car, I'm going to give you free stuff, right?
Yes, he does.
And let me tell you something. David loves his wings. I'm going to give you free stuff at Roosters, free stuff at Outback,
Mm-hmm.
you know, free stuff at Trent Bedding.
Yep. Yep.
Guys, what should they do?
They should hashtag text Kenny.
Yes, that's it,
Thanks,
guys.
Kenny.
All right, I think we beat that horse. We beat that horse enough, right?
He's dead. He's dead.
All right. Well, we love animals, so.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, guys. Well, I appreciate your business,
Thank you.
and all your friends are going to see this, and
Yeah.
they'll be congratulating you, and I appreciate you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Thanks, Kenny.
Thanks.
Hey,
Kenny.
guys, we're going to sign out here. Bye now.
See ya.
Let's see where the finish button is. Look, hashtag text Kenny, Esther says. I think they got the message.
They got the message.
All right.